Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, click here on manage down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Go above your photo profile, click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notification settings, you just click on it. So you come to next step here, you click on your name. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come to marketplace assumptions tracking here. So you click in this sign, like when you just click on it here, like you say, this color show for us that's main marketplace assumptions tracking enable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.